Hello everyone, welcome to Small Model Car. Today we have got a McMurtry Speirling. This is an EV and it's a very different looking car. It's not really long, it's short, wide, and if I'm not wrong, it is a speed record holder on Goodwood Festival of Speed. So Hot Wheels decided to make this one and it's new for 2025. Let's open it up and see how does it look. So here's the McMurtry Speirling out of its box, and as I said, you can see here it's not a very long car, but it's slow and it's wide and has a central driving position. It's more of a race car with body parts strapped on it kind of thing in real life. So Hot Wheels has done I think a good job to show it. I like the color. These wheels we have seen on so many different Hot Wheels, and I think they suit it. Don't look bad here. And this is a electric car, so you won't find any engine or exhaust in this one, and it's designed just to be fast, as fast as it can be. That's why you can see all the air elements here. You see this vents here, vents in the back, big spoiler, even the driving position is just a cockpit with this. Now let's go to the front. So up front, I don't know if you have seen this car, but the headlamps are in between here, LED headlamps, and which I don't think Hot Wheels can actually show on such a small cast with this place, but they're right down there where my finger is, so you don't see it here. You do see this big McMurtry name here. You have this splitter up front. As I said before, it's all about aero. You can see here, you can see the cockpit. I do like the paint here. See this decals going there, they look good, they look nice. Now since it's a central driving position, so there's no driver side or passenger side, I'm just gonna go to the left side. So you can see again a lot of aero elements, vents going all the way. Even the side skirts are shaped in a way that it's aerodynamic. It does look weird. It looks like a hat, like if there wasn't the roof was not like this, it would have looked like a hatchback, but then it doesn't. You can see how big the spoiler is. Coming to the back, again, more air element. You can see the gap here, more air pushing in. You have a big diffuser in the bottom, and if I'm not wrong, these are the tail lamps. Again, those are not detailed or painted. They're actually not painted, but if you want, you can add the color. And it's very, if you have seen limo cars, the shape very close to that. Yeah, and I think even the doors open like that. Just here you can see the cutout. It doesn't open all the way, it's just a spot, I guess. Interior seems like it's done in gray. The windows are tinted, so I can't really see much inside, but looks like there's a yoke rather than steering, so, or a single seat. And this looks from the bottom. So overall, I think it's really nice that Hot Wheels did a car which is not very mainstream. It's always good to have models of the cars which are rare, especially in the mainline. It's even better. Well, that's all from my side today. Thank you for watching. Have a good day.